In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived items in Monday.com. If you've been tidying up your workspace and set aside some items in your Monday.com archives, it's helpful to know exactly how to access and manage them efficiently. Join me as we walk through this straightforward process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Monday.com. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Monday.com in the address bar. Once you reach the platform's homepage, glance towards the upper right hand corner. That's where you'll find the login button. Go ahead, click on that to proceed with logging into your account. Now if you've signed up using Google, you can click the sign in with Google button for a seamless experience. Alternatively, you can enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Once your details are entered correctly, hit enter or click the login button to enter your workspace. With your dashboard open, consider keeping your workspace organized by archiving old or unused boards, items, or work docs. This step isn't just about decluttering, it's about maintaining a streamlined, efficient workflow so you can focus on what's currently essential. The beauty of archiving in Monday.com is that these items aren't permanently gone. Instead, they're stored safely, giving you the flexibility to restore them whenever necessary. Let's fast forward to the archiving itself. When you archive a board, an item, or a document, they all go into a special section. But don't worry about anything getting lost. These archived items remain in the archived section indefinitely. It's like packing them neatly in a virtual storage box labeled archived. To see what you've archived, start by clicking on your avatar picture, often found in the upper corner of your dashboard. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll now select Archive. Clicking here gives you a view into everything you've put away safely in your archives. But perhaps you want a more comprehensive overview or even more options. You can also navigate to the archive through the Workspace navigation bar. Over there, look for a three-dot menu. Once you find it, click. You'll see an option labeled View Archive Trash. Selecting this will bring up another choice, Archive. With a click on this, all of your archived items will display on your screen. And there you have it. This simple process allows you to keep your Monday.com workspace tidy without losing access to important historical records. Whether you're archiving for a cleaner workspace or to prevent data overload, you can always revisit your packed away content whenever you need it. I hope this guide has made the process of accessing archived items in Monday.com feel like a breeze. Until next time, happy organizing.